Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automatically close duplicate tabs in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll notice several options listed. Hover your mouse over the one that says Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can find thousands of add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Unique Tabs. This is the extension we'll be using to automatically detect and close duplicate tabs in your browser. After typing, you'll see search results appear below. Click on the Unique Tabs extension from the results to open its details page. On the extensions page, you'll see information about what it does and how it works. Look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome and click it. A small confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will now install in just a couple of seconds and will be ready to use immediately without requiring any manual setup. Now, let's test how this works in real time. Open 2 tabs that navigate to the same website. For example, you could open YouTube in 2 separate tabs or any website of your choice. As soon as the second tab with the duplicate website loads, you'll see a notification from Unique Tabs at the top of your browser. This notification alerts you that it has detected a duplicate tab, so you're always aware of what's happening in the background. Right after showing that notification, the extension will automatically close the duplicate tab for you. This keeps your browser clean and organized without any effort on your part. You no longer have to manually hunt down and close multiple versions of the same page, which saves time and reduces clutter in your tab bar. And that's it. You've now set up Chrome to automatically manage and close duplicate tabs, making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.